Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to change your username on MyFitnessPal. To change your MyFitnessPal username, first of all, open up your MyFitnessPal app on your mobile device and also make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in the main dashboard, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now click on Edit Profile. Go to the Username tab and tap on it. In the pop-up, click on Change Username. This will now redirect you to myfitnesspal.com website. Go ahead and enter your email address and then your password associated with your account and tap on Login. You can also choose other login options such as Continue with Google or Continue with Facebook if you have registered using these options previously. After logging in, it'll take you to the Change Username page. Go ahead and enter your new username that you want to update to. After typing down your new username, click on Save Changes. By default, you can only change your username once. If you need to change your username again, you will need to contact MyFitnessPal support team. Right after you save your changes, you will be able to update your username, but just make sure that your username must be unique, which means two people cannot have a same username, so make sure you go ahead and type down a unique username so that you can change it. So that's how you easily update or change your username on MyFitnessPal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials and guides. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.